Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to add admin on WhatsApp channel. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to log into your WhatsApp channel. Once you're there, you click on your profile, after which you simply click on what invite admin. So after which you click on the contact in which you want to add as admin. Once you're there, you click on next, after which WhatsApp is going to send the contact and a verification link, that is an invitation link. So you simply open the contact, that's the other WhatsApp. So this is it here, click on it, after which you simply click on what view invite, click on accept. So guys, that is actually the way you add admin on your WhatsApp channel. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.